Hello everyone, this is Jeff of Mouse. Today we're going to be shooting the MakSnipe steel, mild steel pumpkin balls. MakSnipe is located in Lithuania. Although these balls look strangely similar to a ball bearing, they're actually made out of a softer mild steel. Now these are 5/8 of an inch or around 16 millimeters in diameter. They also include these plastic waddings made by Ballistic out of Italy. It seems like a lot of people use Ballistic stuff. Now I noticed the ball was kind of clunking around when I loaded these, so me being someone who can't leave well enough alone, I put a 20 gauge fiber wadding under the ball in order to support it and to fill that space. Now this is pretty common when people load like Lee key drive slugs and stuff like that, but we'll see if that makes a difference or not.
Welcome back, Tauflader folks. Jeff and the OG out here with you. Hey, today we've got some Lithuanian slugs. I know you've never seen Lithuanian slugs before, but
except last time.
Except last time. MakSnipe, that you saw in the previous video, also sent these little mild steel, essentially a pumpkin ball. Jeff has mounted them on a shot card and a wad, so it's just a very simple little ball, and we're going to see how they do. Do they hold accurate? Are they good penetration? Are they good for home defense? For all of those of you who are looking for the perfect home defense round. However, we have a special treat for you today. As a guest shooter, we have Matt from Demolition Ranch joining Tauflader.
Hey, wait a minute.
Wait a second. Wait a second. What happened? So we have today shooting with us Sergio from right here in town. Sergio has donated a lot of targets over the years, that big M&M's guy you saw before. And Sergio's going to give a shout out to his little sister Angie. And then Sergio's going to do some shooting for us. So take it away. Tell the folks hello.
Just put them right on the spot. Let me zoom in on your... All right, what shotgun are you using today?
I have a Remington 870 and I have a red dot sight on it.
What kind? Everyone wants to know.
Bushnell TR-25.
There you go. Everybody wants to know. And where'd you get your shirt at?
Christmas gift.
Oh, okay.
Cabron.
Cabron. Okay.
Rigo.
He's shooting at the Kevlar vest, a giant Kevlar vest. All right, whenever you're ready. Yikes.
All right, here it comes. Are you ready? Well, you can see that perhaps my fiber wadding screwed things up. The ball did not release from the wadding. Still, it was pretty accurate at that range of around 10 yards. And that old Kevlar vest, even though it was level 2, managed to stop it quite well.
Pretty dang accurate. Here's the wad, and as we peel the wad away, which sort of sticks to the label, you can see right there, buried into that vest.
You could pop it out of there like a zit.
Yep. Boy, that looks like a different kind of video. Look how shiny that is. That looks like one of those Japanese foil balls.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it is. No. Feel that.
It's like the fidget spinner of 2018.
Yeah, you spin it, you don't even know it's spinning.
Pykrete.
Well, somebody asked for that, so what you're doing is you're pleasing all the people all the time, then, what you're saying.
Yeah, and the cats. Cats love that. At least mine do.
So frozen sawdust?
We'll just leave it in there.
Frozen sawdust and water.
Yep. Frozen water and ice and...
So, tastes good and makes a good target.
This video is not sponsored by Temptations Treats. But cats do love Temptations Treats. Okay, I'm ready.
You're ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go.
1447.
Well, our homemade pykrete did not stop it at all. Must have used the wrong formula or something. That's what people tell me. But we did get a good release from the wadding this time. The ball went right through the pykrete.
The ball is tougher. California Ballistic gel. Yikes.
So this thing was pretty accurate. The little ball stayed in the wadding, made it right through one side of our California Ballistic gel. We'll let you figure out why we call it the California Ballistic gel. Exited out the other side, And of course, there we go.
It wiped that out.
Wiped it right out, Jeff. You can see right in the center there too where it passed right through. So not bad. You can actually see.
I can still use that.
You can see the hole right through there. You can see.
That's still usable.
Sure, take it home.
The Jeff house.
And the Jeff house. Actually, you don't want that hole to miss what it was intended for. Going to be ineffective toilet paper.
Well, shot number 3. I don't know why the ball did not release again, but it was still very accurate. The ball just went right through the California Ballistic gel and kept on going.
Aluminum block. This is loud.
When you're ready.
Yep, I'm ready.
Nice spherical little hole there.
Semi-spherical.
You can see where that round just kind of plowed right in there and then exited to the side.
All right, shot number 4, very accurate. He was aiming at that little orange dot on there and nailed it. It's important to note here that anytime we shoot at any hard object, we always put it at an angle so it never has a chance to deflect back at us.
Alabama Ballistic gel. In other words, a coffee can full of mud.
Schmud.
Homemade mud.
Homemade.
Let's see what it does.
It's like Mama used to do.
Try to hit the coffee cup.
Oh, that's gonna send it up in the air.
Yeah, that's what you want to see.
Oh yeah.
Well, that stuff climbed up there. Very accurate round. Flew right through here, blew out the seams of the can. We mixed this mud. Oh, we damaged the plant stand.
Yeah, I measured it. Hydro.
All right, Greg was aiming at the little coffee cup. Did he hit it? Heck yeah. You know, mud is very messy, but I love it as a target. I think we'll be using that more often. The pumpkin ball created a lot of hydrostatic shock, ripping everything apart, collapsing that little stand, and the ball just kept on going.
Accuracy test at about 35 yards. How many do you have left? 3 or 4?
I got 4 of them.
Okay, see what kind of grouping we get. So take your time and just start shooting.
Listen to that pop.
Woo!
That downrange pop is crazy.
Yeah.
35 yards away with a round ball that has no aerodynamic.
Well, they're pretty aerodynamic. I
Well,
mean,
they're round. But,
they're rounderful.
And then there's the whole finger. However, 1, 2, 3, and then we had one goofy flyer over here. But all of that well within a torso size at 35 yards. So
Yeah, that's not bad.
Still not a good home defense round.
Yeah, that would go through several walls, I think.
Yeah, it packed a little punch. Not bad though.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I believe these are for sale in Europe. They're not quite ready for sale in the United States. They're still looking for vendors here. And hopefully we can have a little bit of influence on getting that done. And you know me, I'm all about supporting up-and-coming companies. And I want to thank the people that support us by giving $1 or even more on Patreon. But I'm happy if someone can just donate $1, to be honest with you. These are the latest patrons. I wish I could list them all, but honestly, my whole computer takes about 1.5 hours to render the complete list, so I have to do it in small little batches. I hope you understand. And I have really no immediate plans to build a new computer, because this one still does a pretty decent job of rendering regular videos. Things have only gotten worse on YouTube as far as ad revenue. I'm only getting 1 ad for every 5 views, more or less. Beginning of this year, it was 1 in 4, and that was bad. Anyway, thank you guys for keeping us alive.